Hi, my name is Ashley Blake. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video showing how I dark wax my pieces, and I am using the Amy Howard at Home dark wax. Just looks like that. I got it at Ace. I don't remember how much it was, but they had their own little like chalk paint booth section set up, I guess, and it had all of their different paints and stuff. So I'm just trying out this this dark wax. So I have a waxing brush. This is really handy, especially if you have like fine details in your piece that you want to like highlight. So I have already done 2 coats of Glidden paint in the color Opal Silk Green, and I think it's really pretty color. It's very, I don't know if you can see if it's coming up as pretty on camera, but it is very light and airy and bright, and it's really pretty. So also, if you want to know how to make your own dark wax at home, I just filmed another video on that, and I will put the link in the description. So I'm just taking my brush like this, and I just swirl it around the product. That's what it looks like inside. Oh, there you go. So once you have product on there, you're just going to take your thing and you're going to push it into all of the, I'll move the camera closer so you can see. Okay, so you're just going to push the product in. Sorry, I have my dresser on some cardboard so that I can paint in my kitchen. That's why it's wobbly. So just making sure to push it in everywhere. So it looks a little bit scary right now, but what we're gonna do is wipe off the excess. So okay, all right, and so I'm just using like an old dish rag, and I'm just going to wipe off the excess, and it will leave the dark wax into all of the nooks still. Same thing, buffing it in on the top. Little side piece right here. I'm just rubbing it off. Buffing it in. Okay. So I'll show you compared to, let me see it. Compared to over there, you can see the detail a little bit better. Compared to over that side, I didn't do, and then that side I did. So when you're applying it to like a smooth surface, like a drawer or the top of the dresser, I just like to kind of go like this and brush it on. I like it to be the darkest on the outsides to give it a little bit of like an ombre effect. but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. So once I've gotten most of my product off of my brush, I'll just go back and kind of focus more on the outside. So you can, after you're done applying it, you can leave it sitting for a little bit for it to like kind of soak in and get darker. Or if you just want a very subtle, not very bold look, you can wipe it off kind of pretty soon afterwards. You just go like this. And you probably should use something that doesn't have like anything that'll come off of the rag. This obviously isn't lint free, but that is just what I have right now. So that is what it looks like. I really hope this is showing up on camera. So this is done as opposed to these ones that aren't done. So this is a pretty light color that I painted, so it's gonna show up a little bit more. I just want to do some more of these guys. You do have to apply wax annually if you want to do that as your like sealer, because it will wear down over time. Okay, so that's what it looks like all waxed. I hope you can see that it kind of ombres off of the drawers, and then all of the detailing looks so much nicer.